Happy Mother's Day. A lot of gratitude to all the mothers in the world. They symbolize life on this earth. And I think of Mother Earth as well. And I wanted to show my gratitude to Mother Earth and to all the mothers planting a tree today. And I decided to plant Frangipani, Champa, my favorite flower. So here we are, guys, planting Champa for you, for all the mothers in the world, with a lot of love and gratitude for all of you. And I hope the seed will grow big, healthy, and will nourish us, will protect us. Right here next to Buddha. I'll have to put some water. It's very dry. And really help Mother Earth, planting trees, giving back for the Mother Earth to be able to breathe. And it's done. Let it grow strong and give us oxygen. God bless you. Should I name it? My little tree? I'm waiting for your comments. How should I name it? My little tree, my little Champa. Yes. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, Zoa, for nominating me for the Samaj Scope Challenge, and congratulations, Shaza. I think it's a great initiative and it really got me thinking. Here are the 3 things that I intend to do once the lockdown ends in order to conserve our environment and just to make the world a happier, better place to live in for us and for the generations to come. Firstly, I will make sure that I contribute towards the plantation of trees. Secondly, I will make sure that I do not contribute towards noise pollution. And thirdly, I will make sure that I either use a period cup or biodegradable sanitary pads and make everybody around me more aware of something like this. So yeah, these are my picks.
Hi everyone. So while we've been locked up, the earth has been doing a great job healing itself slowly and steadily and trying to do some repair to the damage we have done over the years. So I thought I'd initiate the Samaj Scope Challenge. Here I will be listing 3 things that I will do now and post-lockdown that will hopefully help the planet on its road to recovery. Number 1 is that I will give up meat completely. This is not only the animal cruelty thing, but also it is one of the leading causes of global warming. Number 2 will be a 1 bucket bath as opposed to a shower. This saves a lot of water in the long run. And number 3 would be that I will walk to office every day once the lockdown ends, of course. And my office is just 1.5 kilometers away, so it can be easily done, and it will save the carbon emissions that will come from my car. I hope I'm not late to too many meetings. I apologize in advance. So yeah, these are my 3 things. I'm going to tag a whole bunch of my friends to encourage them to do the same, and I hope you will too. Let's make this lockdown a positive one, and something good should come out of it. Thank you.
Hi guys, today I'm more than happy to accept and pass on the Samaj Scope Challenge, which is where we need to make 3 small lifestyle changes that will help saving the environment, which is something that I feel very strongly about. So here are certain things that I've already started doing in my life, but I pledge to continue to do them for as long as I live. Number 1 is switch off all the lights and limit the use of the air conditioner. Number 2 is try and save as much water possible while having a bath, while brushing my teeth, while washing my hands. And number 3 is stop using plastic. Yes, because that is poison for our planet. And now I'm throwing open this challenge to each and every one of you, because more the merrier. We all need to fight for the only home that we have, which is planet Earth. So all the best, guys. 3 small changes. That's it. You can do it. All the best.
Firstly, I'd like to congratulate Shaza Murani and Samaj Scope for this great initiative. Well, this challenge, before I tell you the 3 pointers that I'm putting into practice, well, there are actually 4 things that I'm putting into practice. Out of that, I'm going to mention 3. It's reuse, recycle, and reduce. Of course, there's another R that I'm practicing, but right now, because it's 3 R's, it's reduce, recycle, and reuse. So these are the 3 things I'm practicing, and the amount of things that can come under this umbrella is huge. So if you think about it, well, it's pretty challenging for me, and I'm going to put this into practice. I have been doing this for a while now. I pray and hope you all are safe, staying at home, and maintaining social distancing. Thank you very much. So I'm going to put this challenge out to more people, and I hope I get great response on this. Thank you.
Thank you, Zahir, for nominating me for the Samadscope challenge. Guys, this is a challenge where you have to make 3 lifestyle changes that will help save the planet. I have already started doing few things. The first is by not using plastic and using metal bottles instead. Second is saving the water, switching to bucket baths rather than taking a shower, and also turning off the taps while I am brushing my teeth. And the third is learn the way of loving the leftovers, experimenting by making new dishes with whatever is hanging around in the kitchen or in the fridge. And I pledge to continue doing them for as long as I live. So here it is, and I am passing on this challenge to all of you, because what we save saves us. And let's do